Hi, let's talk about stages of grief. We're going to talk about stages of grief based on Kubler-Ross model, where we see there is Kubler-Ross model explains that there are 5 stages in grief. It starts off with denial. When someone hears a grief information, first thing they would do is they will have denial. They'll say, no, it can't be true, it's not happening. And once they understand that no, it's really happening, the second part of it will be anger. They will start to have anger. Why did this happen to me? Why it should happen? It should not happen and stuff. And once they get over with the anger, then they start off with bargaining. They said, can it happen to someone else, or why it didn't happen to somebody else, or his age was younger and stuff like that, right after bargaining, they will be, literally they are starting to accept that the loss has happened, and then they may go into depression, where they feel depressed over the loss. This indicates that they are beginning to accept, right? From the very beginning of denial, anger, and bargaining, now they have begun to accept, and they go into depression. And finally, when they get over this depression, then comes acceptance, where they begin to accept that this person, say for example it's a loss of a dear one, then they start to accept, this person is no longer with us and they have gone forever. So there's these 5 stages of grief based on Kubler-Ross model, which starts with denial, anger, bargaining, depression, and acceptance. So that's a basic understanding of what are the process a person who's grieving would go through. So that's Kubler-Ross model.